Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting room. Today we're at a different angle because my husband Brandon is once again going to help us. So thank you, Brandon, for all your help. Today we are going to do an unboxing video, which is very, very exciting because I have here a brand new Coverstitch machine. And so I'm going to give you a quick story behind this brand new Coverstitch machine. It's my first Bernina. I've never owned a Bernina before, so I'm excited about that. This is a Bernette and made by Bernina. And the reason I went with a Coverstitch machine on its own is because I already have a serger machine. I have the Baby Lock Vibrant, which is a basic serging machine, which is awesome. It does great things. It makes beautiful garments, which I will be doing a tutorial on soon to show you what garments I'm making with these machines. And I also do sell these items in my Etsy store. So we're going to just get into this. Oh, I was going to tell you why I got the Coverstitch machine. Because a Coverstitch machine does what the serger machine cannot. Now they have machines that have the Coverstitch and the serger all in one. And I did look at getting one of those. However, when I was talking to the lady at the sewing store, she explained to me what a pain in the butt it can be to change your serger machine over to the Coverstitch portion of it when you have an all-in-one machine. So she recommended two machines. Since I had already had a serger machine, it just didn't make sense to spend the money and buy an even more expensive machine when I already have what I really basically need. So this is what I needed. This one also, you can buy extra feet for it. So I did buy the foot package for it. Brandon doesn't know that yet, but I did do that. But I can do elastic. I can do make straps for my handbags. I can make binding strips and everything with the new foot set that's coming with this. So let's get started. Yay! Oh, a Coverstitch machine does the fancy stitching outside on your clothing. So it'll put the serged, I have a sweater on. It does the serged look underneath on your garment and then does like the 2 rows of stitching all the way around your sleeve. Now I know you can do that with a sewing machine because I have done that. But it's easier to do it with a Coverstitch, especially when you're working with knit fabrics. And that is what I have been working with, is knit fabrics. And those stretch and they move and they're a pain in the butt. So let's do this. So here we've got the foot pedal. And it looks like we have the thread folder. These are thread spools. Let's open these up. Maybe I need some scissors. Thank you. Thanks, Brandon. Sometimes it's easier to have somebody else helping you film because they can grab things that you can't. So it looks like it came with 4 of these, 1 for each thread folder. The thread stand itself, that'll attach to the machine. I'm assuming that this is a cover for the machine. I don't cover my stuff. I'm so bad about that. I should make covers for everything, but you know, I'm a slacker. Oh, yep, that's exactly what this is. It's the cover. And it's a clear cover. It's a nice one. It's like a rain cap. Just need some rubber duckies on that. Okay, let's see. These are the foot accessories. Make sure I'm not missing anything else. So let's see what's in here. So we have some thread nets, screwdriver, thread spool holders, oil, and that is what has come in this. That's it. So the accessory foot set is extra. It was $149. So I paid $4.99 for this. Actually, I didn't. It's a birthday gift. My mom bought it for me. Thank you, Mom. So let's see here. I gotta make sure I can lift this out. Make sure there's nothing else in there, which there's not. Okay. All right. And here she is. Oh, there's already some thread in there. She's got this lovely handle. Ta-da! She's gorgeous. I love her. Gotta think of a name for her. She kind of looks like a Sally to me, but I'm just saying. We haven't worked together long enough for me to really name her yet. So, that's the Coverstitch machine. Next, we have this Floriani serger bundle. Now, this came free with my machine. So, if you purchased this machine, you got this included with it. And as you can see, I have not opened this at all. So, I don't know exactly what's in here, but oh, I'm so excited. This is actually a $250 value. So, it's always good when you get free stuff with your machine. Freebies are good. Remember it. Let's see. Whoa.
Bubble wrap.
There's bubble wrap. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, there's some cool stuff in there. All right, so we have water-soluble topping for your embroidery. This is cool. I need this. I use this stuff a lot, actually, especially when I'm doing embroidery on towels, tea towels, or even towels that have a pile. And I also use it when I make minky blankets and I put the names on the minky. This is your best friend. Oh, this is cool. A turning tool. Hey, no more chopsticks. Do you think I'll still use my chopstick though? Probably. But this turning tool, that's so cool. I have to tell you, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm glad they did that. Aww. And a little thank you card in the box. Some awesome scissors. Oh, and look what I just got. Ta-da, a stiletto. I just purchased a stiletto. So when I hit 30,000 subscribers, I guess I'll have to put this in my giveaway. So Brandon's giving me an odd look. So let me tell you what a stiletto does. It helps you when you're sewing and you're pushing the fabric through. You use the stiletto to guide through so you don't sew your own fingers. Oh. It's Safety a very helpful tool. See, we all learn something new every single day. Look at all of this awesome thread. Oh, so excited. That's really pretty. This looks like all embroidery thread to me. Wow. Let's dump it out and look at it in the box so that y'all can see what colors we have. These are some beautiful colors. I love Floriani thread too. If you haven't used Floriani thread, you really should. It's beautiful stuff. And I'm not paid by them. I am just a user who pays for it myself. And they have a great product. Their thread is very nice to work with. Press and bond thread. Ha! I think this is the fusible bobbin and sewing serger thread. So this thread, you can actually use your serger and serger binding onto it. And then when you flip it over, you would put your iron and press that side down, and this will hold your binding down. and then you can just sew along the edge and it won't move. It will save you from having to pin. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. So excited about this. You can actually pause it. All right, so that's what's in the box. Is embroidery thread, water soluble, stabilizer. I love this serger thread, the heat and press serger thread. Our little scissors, the turning tool, and also our stiletto. Like I said, that will be, I think I will put that in my giveaway. So now let's see what the Coverstich machine can do. So the Coverstich is already put together, it's threaded and all kinds of good stuff. Now this machine actually came pre-threaded, so all I had to do was tie the little knots on and then just let it go through the guides. But I also did thread it myself, and it's like with any thread or serger machine or anything, you just need to take your time. You need to follow the little guides and the color coding, and it will help you thread your machine. So we're just going to do a stitch here. So you can see that I've already gone ahead and done a cover stitch here. This is what it looks like on the back. Right there. I would probably just go with a 2-stitch right here. And I probably won't do a 3-stitch on my cover stitch. That's it. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays, and keep on crafting. See you later. Bye-bye.